I am Lizzie Otumewo, the founder of Kitchen Messengers. We are into food processing and grocery shopping. Over the past 7 years, we have economically empowered 372 people directly and indirectly, helped 133 women home and abroad maintain a healthy work-life balance by making cooking easy and convenient for them through the delivery of our ready-to-cook foodstuff, soup condiments and spices. Do you know that one of the major challenges in agriculture is post-harvest loss, resulting in so much waste? At Kitchen Messengers, we mitigate these losses and waste by dehydrating and transforming fresh produce into long-lasting powder without compromising quality, value, and flavor. Now, we are seeking to acquire a multipurpose equipment for dicing these vegetables to ease dehydration, increase our production capacity by 70% in order to be able to meet the pressing demand of our products in commercial kitchens, in supermarkets, in different homes, both locally and internationally. And we believe building an peculiar foundation will help us make this happen. Thank you.